Hey guys, this week you are going on an alphabet scavenger hunt and you are using Google Slides to edit and recolor those letters of the alphabet. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open up Google Photos, and I want you to notice that I've slightly pushed my screen off to one side. This is going to make it a little bit easier for you to upload your images. On my desktop, I have my images organized. I'm going to click and select all of them and drag them into Google Photos. When these are done uploading, I'm going to create an album. Select Add to Album in order to do this. I'm going to create a new album, and I'm just going to title it ABCs so I know where all of my photographs are. For a Google Photos album, you don't have to upload all at once. You can actually add over time, which is good if you are working on this assignment over a few days. Next, you need to head over to Google Classroom and find the Google Slides in our assignment. When you open that up, you will have some information that you need to change, your name and period number. If you do not like the format, you can change this up. I'm going to stick with the letters A through I. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Photos. On the right-hand side of my screen, this will open up my photos and albums. Since I made an album, I will select Albums. I will click on the correct album that I want to insert, and it will bring up all the photos in that album. So I'm going to select the letters A through I. You can select multiple images before clicking Insert. What this does is add all of those images to your current slide. So it looks like there's a little bit of a problem with this photo. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. I'm going to show you another way to insert images. I'm going to go back to Insert, Image, but now select Upload from Computer. I will find the letter A that I'm looking to insert, select the file, and click Open. This is another way for you to insert photos directly from your computer. So I'm just going to arrange these letters and resize, always pulling from the corners to ensure that the scale stays the same and in proportion. I'm going to do this for the next two slides and add all of the letters from A through Z. So I'm going to show you a little trick. Since I have a backwards letter Z, I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'm going to click on Format up top, and that's going to allow me to change the rotation. I'm going to click Size and Rotation and select the flip icon. This will flip the letter, so now it is facing the right direction. The next part of this assignment is to create words and names using the letters that you photographed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with my last name, Holz. I'm going to go to each of the previous slides and I'm going to copy and paste them into this slide. You can use shortcuts on your keyboard. On a Mac, Command-C, Command-V. On a PC, Control-C, Control-V. Or you could just use Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. If you need to crop your images, use the same icon that you would in class using Photoshop. It works the same way. That's one down, two to go. So I'm going to repeat those same steps and get another word on my next slide. For the word hello, I'm going to click and drag, selecting all 5 letters. I'm going to change up the colors to a black and white or grayscale. I'm going back to Format. I'm going to close up Size and Rotation and now select Recolor. Underneath the Recolor menu, there are a ton of different options for you to choose from. I'm just going to select that second icon. Now I'm going to reselect all of those letters, go back to that menu, and underneath Adjustments, change up my brightness as well as my contrast. You can do this as a group, or you can do this individually by selecting individual letters. Try out some different options. You may be surprised with the results. I hope you had fun working on the alphabet scavenger hunt and learning a little bit more about how to use Google Slides for photography. Keep up the great work, guys. I'm really excited to see what you come up with.